you will need to pay attention to attending such smaller trade show because for smaller size company, they are lack of certification and also they are lack of quality in some certain point. I'm not saying all the supplier is bad, but you have to filtering some of the supplier out from the trade show. Hi, I'm Stanley from RLKGroup. I would say attending Canton Fair definitely not enough to find a reliable supplier in China. It is because the Canton Fair is for big player. Canton Fair is expensive. Chinese supplier is looking for foreign company business by joining the Canton Fair. They pay a lot of money for that. By paying a lot of money, that means the supplier have a certain size of the manufacturer plant and they have a certain manufacturing cost. That's why they want to spend the money and get some money back. However, if you want to get a perfect supplier, you might not find from a Canton Fair. You can find some local trade show in China. For example, the Ningbo Stationery Fair and also the Shanghai Stationery Fair. You can find a lot of suppliers from there in middle size, some of them as even a smaller size. However, you will need to pay attention to attending such smaller trade show because for smaller size company, they are lack of certification and also they are lack of quality in some certain point. I'm not saying all the supplier is bad, but you have to filtering some of the supplier out from the trade show. You have to go to the fair and talk to them and make sure the product is in quality according to what you need. For example, if you just go to the Canton Fair, you just find for a big supplier, they are lack of flexibility. They always ask for a high MOQ, which is the minimum order quantity. They are higher than the smaller size suppliers. Besides of that, because of the size of the company, the cost is higher than the smaller size supplier. You have to pay more to them to buy the goods you want. On the other side, they have a high MOQ. So that's why you have to come to our RLKGroup. You can find us because we have a certain base of the manufacturer. We have a big player supplier. We have smaller size supplier. It will suit your needs. The suppliers we have can customize your orders and make sure we deliver quality goods with a good pricing.
Still losing sleep over ordering office supplies from China? Let RLKGroup do the heavy lifting. If you want more insider sourcing secrets and industry tips, smash that subscribe button, follow us, and ring the little bell. Catch you next time.